have the outlet screwed right to the paneling. Nothing behind it. Yeah, we just put the paneling right on top. We figured that'd be easiest to put that on bottom. And we tried to think it through a little bit for you here.
Yeah, I kept it perfect. What's it like right now? Is it making money off? It's starting to go up a little bit, but it's there's nothing really in it. You gonna be able to burn any of this stuff?
How are you getting these heavy bags up that high? Teamwork?
I know, I grabbed a couple of those.
I'll put it up there. Just give me some
Oh yeah, we'll handle it.
Yeah, there you go.
That's a lot of trash for 4 days of work. 4 days, 2 people. You want help?
Guys, sure you want to get that?
And then we were on our lunch break, and I saw these kitchen cabinets posted on Facebook Marketplace. They were practically giving them away. So the plans for the day changed a little bit, and we were off to Pittsburgh to get what was seeming to be possibly the best deal ever. All right, we just found some kitchen cabinets in the most beautiful loft in Pittsburgh. Removing the baseboards and trim work in the orange yellow bedroom, and the baseboards are actually plastic. Look at it. Oh my gosh. had a great first week. We were able to get all 3 drop ceilings down. We removed some paneling. We started taking all the trim work off. The ceiling in the hallway and the trim work out here as well. We got a closet out, paneling out, the ceiling out, and the carpets are now the next 2 things to go. In the other bedroom, we need to take down these 2 walls with paneling, but they go behind the window trim, and I'm thinking about keeping the window trim. So that's probably next up on our list. But we've completely exposed this middle wall. It was a tough one, but it is open, and we are ready to jack the floor up in the basement. We sold the fridge, we got rid of the moldy floor. We're trying to do a different layout with the kitchen. Maybe the fridge and the oven over here. Or possibly just L-shaping this. Can't really decide there. We made major progress and we got rid of all the trash that we had piled up from our demo. And we found a steal on kitchen cabinets. We haven't made any progress at all in the bathroom. We usually like to try to do that in one clean swing. But in the basement, we have ripped out the entire ceiling, which we really didn't intend to do, but we had to do it to expose the problem with the sagging floor. Now we're just gonna have to re-brace this wall. They actually had their ductwork resting on the ceiling, so we had to temporarily hold the ductwork up. We got rid of the cabinet in the corner here. And it's about time for some new plumbing.